Samsung Notes is full of surprises. In this video, we'll explore it on my Samsung Galaxy phone. So, let's get started. This is Samsung Notes. It's pre-installed on this device. Open it and click on Get Started. It suggests signing in with your Samsung account and enabling sync. Click Settings. Here, click the top option. Then tap Sync with Samsung Cloud and allow permission to use your account. I have many notes saved on the cloud, so I'll click my account and click this Sync Now button. This will bring all my notes. As it does its job, let's go back and explore it. Here we go. You can see the notes appearing slowly. By clicking this Edit button, we can select multiple notes. Then we can share those notes, lock them, and delete them. The view is where you adjust the interface layout. We also have a search icon to search through the notes. Let's create a new note. Creating a note the first time shows page settings. When you create a new note with the stylus out, the drawing mode will be active. Tap this button to switch between text and drawing. We can always access the page settings in the note menu. Tap those three dots and click Page Settings. Here we can change the scroll direction and background color of the note. The app also has page templates that help in drawing. We can't see the lines properly in the camera, but they are there. Let's start with the text mode. Type to your heart's content. The top is the note title. You'll notice folders. This is the note location. If you want to organize notes, it's best to create folders and categorize them. Also, this is Start to make this note your favorite. The text editor has a bunch of options in this row. We can add check marks and change the text format, which includes boldness, underlining, italics, and indent. Also, we can change the text color or the background color. This is the draw to text feature, which we'll cover shortly. The attachment icon is where we can add stuff. Samsung Notes supports many attachment types. Let's add an image. Choose your favorite app and select the image. We can adjust the image size from any side or use the corners to adjust both sides. The image can be moved as well as cropped. We can also record our voice. Tap the option and start recording. You'll see a small pop-up in the top right corner. To finish, click this tiny stop button. Recordings are not added like photos. If a note contains a recording, you'll see it in the top right corner. It will also open when you open the note. This arrow will show all the recording options. We can see it showing one recording in total. Sharing this recording is possible with this icon. Click it and select recordings, and then click the share icon again. Like other note-taking apps, Samsung Notes supports tags. To add one, go to the Note menu and tap Tags. The app does a better job by showing some of the keywords from the note. You can select one or multiple, and the app will create the tags automatically. We can then go to the app menu and find tags. Here we'll see all the tags and tagged notes. The app also supports locking notes. Tap three dots and find the lock icon. You'll need to insert your Samsung password first. Then we'll insert the note password. Also, fingerprints can be used to unlock notes. Confirm your password on the next screen. Please keep in mind that this password is for all your locked notes. We can't create separate passwords for each note. The note is now locked and must be unlocked to see and edit. Unlike some other apps, Samsung Notes is advanced in exporting notes. It supports PDF, Word, PowerPoint, image, and plain text formats. Just hit one and choose your destination and file name to save this note. These sorts of things give Samsung Notes an edge over other premium apps. The app can even import PDF files. Click this button to open the file picker. I have a file perfect for the occasion. I'm going to select it. Samsung Notes treats PDFs as notes. We can't edit the existing text, but we can add stuff. Also, this signature was drawn in Samsung Notes, so we can erase this using eraser even though it's saved as a PDF file. In the attachment menu, you'll find this text box option that adds a box anywhere you want. We'll add one here and add some stuff. Using the corners, we can move this box position. We can even sign this document and export it as a PDF. We'll move to the drawing part now. I drew this note a few days ago, but I'll quickly cover its tools. When the drawing mode is enabled, you'll see those options. The first is pen. When this tool is selected, clicking it again will open its tools. Here we have some pen styles on the top with the thickness option next. Below are the pen colors. Swipe right to see other palettes. This to the left shows your used colors. You can tap this last icon to adjust the color palettes. Let's draw something quickly. I'll draw a rectangle and divide it into 4 parts. Then add a color to each box. We'll also add a text box to mix and match stuff. This is highlighter. It has the same option types, but we have this opacity. The more it is, the stronger the highlighter will be. Eraser has a few features too. The stroke will delete each drawn stroke. The area eraser has a size to adjust and it only deletes the area. We also have an erase highlighter only toggle that will only remove the highlighter over other drawn content. This is the drawing selector to select drawings. We can copy drawings, then enable the text mode and tap and hold to paste them. Shapes can be moved and resized. The draw to text works like this. You draw and the app converts it to text and adds it to the note. It's pretty accurate, but it misses spaces sometimes. This tool will change the style of the content. If you want to change the colors of a drawing, this is the best way to do it. The last is the shape fixer tool. You draw it and Samsung Notes will adjust it like it was drawn in Photoshop or PowerPoint. We can create charts and stuff and present them without needing professional software. Okay, before we go, let's see how the pen and notes work when the phone is locked. If you remove the stylus when the phone display is off, you'll see Samsung Notes opening automatically. This interface only supports drawing, so let's draw something. We have a few pen colors here. This arrow will add another page to continue drawing. Tap the save button to save this note, or press the back button to discard it. Samsung Notes has many tools in the settings and you can adjust those to get the most out of it. Also, the app uses add-ons which can be found here. Anyway, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll catch you later. Take care.